birthday list begins with the JTE on his tractor. Jace Timothy Evans celebrating his second birthday. You go get him, big boy. He's in Columbus.
He's prepping up for this summer's tractor pull.
Yeah.
All right, Siley Merrill is 4 years old this year. Pretty with the flowers there in Riverton, Kansas.
In Chanute, day late but never a dollar short, Miss Charlotte Huser. What a marvelous picture. Like Charlotte surrounded by 3 of her good friends.
Aw, she's grown up to look just like her mama. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Spencer Gatewood turning 11 years old this year. Happy birthday to Spencer in Parsons.
And in Moran, Chris Ferguson, he is now 14. Happy birthday, Chris.
McKinley Morrison celebrating birthday number 15 this year in Frontenac.
Raider Pride, throw it up. Breeley Tompkins, a 15-year-old as well. A very happy birthday to you, Miss Breeley. She is in Commerce.
And we have birthday wishes from Mom, Maddie, Emma, and Chief going out to Matthew Miller, who's now 39 years old. Matthew is in Seneca.
It's called having your hands full right there, isn't it? Mm-hmm. All right, Clyde Pickle, he is 44. I dig that hat there, Mr. Clyde, and a happy birthday to you and Noel.
Matt Bogle turning 45 this year, looking sharp dressed there, Matt, in Chanute.
That's a good looking suit, man. I like the Bogle. Pam Mendicky, she is celebrating her 60th birthday. Pam, that is a marvelous t-shirt right there. I'm turning 60 and whining about it. That is tremendous. Happy birthday, awesome. Pam. She's in the knack.
Happy birthday, Pam. Happy birthday to Sheila Harris, who's now 64 years old and looking great there, Sheila, in Jasper, Missouri.
Now, we've got birthday wishes from all of the family going out to Mr. Ed Maddox as Ed turns 80. Ed, I want you to have a marvelous day in Parsons.
All right, belated birthday wish going out to Miss Eunice Shrimpland.
Look at that cake.
Yeah, Eunice is celebrating in Chanute.
Eunice, if you've got any of it left, it looks wonderful. Love that. Zachary McFarland celebrating his 31st birthday. A happy birthday to Zachary in Girard. A couple ones to clean up here. Not clean up when I say clean up. They had their birthdays yesterday, but we're going to carry the celebration through the week. Randy Ash, a happy 66th birthday. Randy is in Miami. Speaking of Miami, that's where Jane Miller is celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday to Jane. And Rachel Johnson, a happy birthday in Welch. Now, I got to clean this one up, okay? I'm going to take the fall on this one. Edna Hardy. I think yesterday I called her Edna Harvey. That's completely my fault. And so I wanted to come back and make sure that I got her name right. And so Miss Edna, number 1, I apologize to you. Number 2, I want to come back and wish you a happy 50th. Again, she is in Miami as well. So Edna, from me to you, happy birthday, ma'am. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can get special deals from local businesses when you do. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.